Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to convert documents images into PDF file. Open Chrome. In a new tab, click on Google Apps and select Google Docs. Now choose the option Blank Document. In the Insert menu, click on Image and then on Upload from Computer. Select your images and click on Open. Now select an image and in the Image Options menu, display the line, Text Wrapping. There, select the desired option and adjust the image to the desired size and position. Repeat this for the images you have added. Finally, in the File menu, click on Download and there you must choose the option PDF Document. You can open the PDF to see your images there in a single file. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.